baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
Guys, mag-physics na. Kukunin na yung cellphone namin. Tapos wala pa si Mark. Ay, dyan na pala siya guys. Dyan na siya guys, oh.
We will never be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned.
Meanwhile.
Ilang ka sa quiz? Yeah, ilang ka sa quiz? Ilang ka sa quiz? Wow! Ilang ka sa quiz? Uy!
Hello guys, for today's video, tinanong ko siya, are you good? Mag-video po kami, magle-label po kami ng mga hazards. Mag-label po kami ng mga hazards dito po sa plenary. Church namin ngayon, ito yung ginagawa namin. Ang ginagawa niyo? Guys, CCSP namin ngayon. Ayan sila, busy lahat. Kuya, rate mo si par 1 out of 10.
Creativity takes courage because courage, you need it. Courage is the push that you need. Courage is the drive that you need. Courage is the moral, is the benefit. So guys, yun lang yung para sa vlog namin. Kung gusto niyo pang makanood ng iba pang content na mula sa amin, meron kaming podcast na second video nito channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yun lang, bye-bye!